Looking for a shotgun that delivers power without emptying your wallet? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 shotguns under $200, proving that you don't have to spend big to get a reliable, hard-hitting firearm. Whether you need something for home defense, range practice, or just want solid firepower on a budget, these shotguns offer impressive performance at an unbeatable price. We're talking rugged durability, reliable action, and enough stopping power to get the job done without breaking the bank. But here's the thing, not all budget shotguns are created equal. Some offer rock-solid performance, while others cut corners where it matters most. That's why we're not just listing cheap shotguns, we're giving you the best value for your money. We'll break down key factors like reliability, ease of use, capacity, and versatility so you know exactly what you're getting. Whether you're a beginner looking for an entry-level option or an experienced shooter wanting an affordable backup, this list has something for you. Stay tuned as we dive into the best budget-friendly shotguns on the market and find out which one deserves a spot in your arsenal. Let's get started. First up on our list is the H&R Pardner Pump, a straightforward, reliable 12-gauge shotgun that offers serious value for its price. If you're looking for a no-nonsense pump-action shotgun with a 51 capacity, the Pardner Pump is definitely worth considering. It's built solidly with an all-steel receiver, which gives it a nice heft and durability you might not expect in a budget shotgun. This weight also helps with recoil control, making it comfortable to shoot, even with heavier loads. One thing I really like about the Pardner Pump is that it's built to last. The solid construction provides a stable shooting platform, and the action is smooth and reliable, cycling shells without a hitch. It may be a little heavier than some other budget options, but that extra weight translates to better control and stability. The added heft keeps recoil manageable, which is especially helpful for newer shooters or those sensitive to kickback. On the range, the Pardner Pump performs admirably. It's a workhorse that handles various loads well, from lighter target loads to heavier home defense shells. The fixed-cylinder bore barrel offers a decent spread, making it suitable for close-range defensive scenarios and versatile enough for casual range shooting. While it may not come with a lot of bells and whistles, it's incredibly reliable, and for a home defense option, that's one of the most important qualities. There are a few downsides, though. The Pardner Pump doesn't have the wide aftermarket support of some other shotguns, so customization options are limited. Additionally, it has a fixed stock with no real options for adjustability. However, if you're looking for something reliable straight out of the box, these points might not be a big drawback. At around $150 to $200, this shotgun offers excellent value. It's a fantastic choice for anyone wanting a dependable, durable shotgun without spending a fortune. Whether you're considering it for home defense or just want a budget-friendly option for the range, the H&R Pardner Pump holds its own. This shotgun is all about performance, reliability, and affordability, making it a great entry-level choice that won't let you down. Next up is the Maverick 88, often called the working man's Mossberg. This shotgun is popular for good reason. It's essentially a budget version of the well-known Mossberg 500, and it delivers impressive performance for a shotgun under $200. Chambered in 12 gauge with either a 51 or 81 capacity, the Maverick 88 is versatile, tough, and backed by Mossberg's reputation for reliability. What I appreciate about the Maverick 88 is how it combines simplicity with function. The pump action is smooth and dependable, handling a variety of loads without any fuss. It's also compatible with many Mossberg 500 parts, so you have some options to customize it with aftermarket accessories, which is rare in this price range. This compatibility means you can upgrade features like the barrel, stocks, or add-ons like a heat shield, which is a big plus if you're looking to personalize your setup. On the range, the Maverick 88 is comfortable and easy to handle. The forearm has a good grip, and the crossbolt safety near the trigger makes it intuitive to operate, though it's worth noting it's different from the top-mounted safety on the Mossberg 500. The recoil is manageable, and the gun feels well balanced, making it easy to stay on target with follow-up shots. A couple of trade-offs come with the Maverick 88's budget price. The finish is basic, so it may not handle harsh conditions as well as more premium models, and it lacks the refined aesthetics of higher-end shotguns. Additionally, the placement of the crossbolt safety might be a consideration for left-handed shooters, as it's set up primarily for right-handed use. Overall, the Maverick 88 offers excellent value. For around $199 or even less on sale, you're getting a shotgun that's reliable, versatile, and backed by the Mossberg brand. If you want a solid, entry-level shotgun with room for customization, the Maverick 88 is a top choice. It's perfect for home defense, casual shooting, or even light hunting, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune for dependable performance. Let's move on to the G-Force Arms GF2P, which is one of the most affordable options on this list, often priced under $150. This pump-action 12-gauge shotgun packs a lot into a very budget-friendly package, making it a great entry-level choice for those who want a functional shotgun without spending much. The GF2P is straightforward and simple, but it's surprisingly effective for basic home defense or casual range use. One of the first things I noticed about the GF2P is its tactical look. It's designed with a synthetic stock and forearm, which keeps the weight down and makes it easy to handle, especially for a pump action. While it's lighter than some of the other shotguns on this list, the synthetic build is still durable enough for everyday use. And the lighter weight makes it easy to maneuver in tighter spaces. On the range, the GF2P performs pretty well. The pump action is smooth, and it cycles reliably, which is all you can ask for at this price. The GF2P's capacity is standard with a 51 setup, and it handles various loads without any issues. The recoil is manageable, although being a lighter shotgun, you may feel it a bit more with heavier loads compared to some of the bulkier models. Now, while the GF2P is impressive for its price, there are a few limitations. Some users report mixed results with long-term durability, especially with heavy or extended use. The aftermarket support for this model is also limited, so if you're looking for a shotgun with extensive customization options, this may not be the best choice. However, if you're in the market for a straightforward, no-frills shotgun that does the job, these downsides may not matter much. Overall, the G-Force Arms GF2P is an excellent choice if you're on a tight budget or need a simple, reliable shotgun for basic home defense. For the price, it delivers solid performance without many extras, making it ideal for first-time owners or anyone looking for an affordable backup. Next up, we have the Savage Stevens 320, a shotgun that's known for delivering great value and reliability in the budget market. If you're looking for a shotgun under $200 that doesn't skimp on durability, the Stevens 320 is a strong contender. Chambered in 12-gauge with a 51 capacity, this pump-action shotgun is designed for simplicity and effectiveness, making it a popular choice for home defense and general use. One thing I appreciate about the Stevens 320 is its build quality, especially at this price point. The synthetic stock and forearm are solid and well constructed, and the shotgun feels rugged and dependable in hand. Savage kept the design straightforward, focusing on reliability rather than flashy features. For a budget shotgun, it's surprisingly well balanced, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to control, even during extended shooting sessions. On the range, the Stevens 320 performs consistently well. The pump action is smooth, and it cycles reliably without any hang-ups, which is exactly what you want for a home defense or entry-level shotgun. The 18.5-inch barrel provides a good spread at close to medium distances, making it versatile enough for various shooting applications. The recoil is manageable, thanks to the well-designed stock, which keeps it from feeling overly punishing, even with heavier loads. While the Stevens 320 has a lot going for it, there are a couple of minor drawbacks. The trigger pull is a bit heavier than some other models, which may take a little getting used to, and it doesn't have the extensive aftermarket support that you might find with more popular models like the Mossberg 500. However, if you're looking for a shotgun that performs reliably without the need for a lot of custom parts, this isn't a big issue. At around $160 on sale, the Stevens 320 offers excellent value for those who want a reliable, straightforward shotgun without breaking the bank. It's a solid choice for home defense, range use, or as a beginner shotgun. If reliability and affordability are your main concerns, the Savage Stevens 320 is hard to beat in this price range. Finally, let's take a look at the Tokarev TX-12, a unique budget option that offers solid performance in a tactical design. Often priced around $179, the TX-12 is one of the few budget shotguns that combines affordability with a semi-automatic option. This makes it especially appealing if you're looking for something fast and easy to operate for home defense. The TX-12 is chambered in 12 gauge with a 51 capacity, and while it has a bit of a tactical feel to it, it's designed to be simple and reliable. The polymer stock keeps it lightweight, and it has a pistol grip that adds an extra level of control. I was impressed with how comfortable the grip and forearm felt, making it easy to maneuver and shoot accurately. Plus, the semi-automatic action offers faster follow-up shots than you'd get with a pump, which can be a big advantage in a defensive scenario. On the range, the TX-12 performs surprisingly well for a budget semi-auto. The recoil is manageable, thanks to the gas-operated action, which helps absorb some of the kickback, making it easier to stay on target. It cycles reliably with most types of loads, though it might benefit from a break-in period with heavier loads to ensure smooth operation. The fixed cylinder bore also provides a good spread for close-range engagements, which is exactly what you want in a home defense setup. One of the downsides to the TX-12 is that it doesn't have extensive aftermarket support, so your customization options are limited. Some users have reported occasional hiccups with lighter loads, but this usually improves after putting a few rounds through it. Overall, it's a solid option if you want a tactical-style shotgun on a budget. For around $179, the Tokarev TX-12 offers an affordable semi-auto option with a unique tactical look and solid performance. If you're after a shotgun that delivers fast follow-up shots, minimal recoil, and simple handling, the TX-12 is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want a bit more speed in a defensive situation without breaking the bank. And that's a wrap on our top budget shotguns under $200. As you can see, affordable doesn't have to mean unreliable. Whether you're looking for a no-nonsense pump action like the H&R Pardner or Savage Stevens 320, the versatile Maverick 88, or even the semi-auto capability of the Tokarev TX-12, there's something here for every shooter. The most important takeaway? You don't have to spend a fortune to own a dependable shotgun. These models prove that with the right choice, you can get solid performance for home defense, range time, or even light hunting all without breaking the bank. Personally, I think the Maverick 88 stands out as one of the best all-around choices. It's simple, durable, and backed by Mossberg's reputation. But hey, that's just my take. I want to hear from you. What's your go-to budget shotgun? Have you used any of these models, or do you have a hidden gem under $200 that we should check out? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content. Thanks for watching, and as always stay safe and keep shooting.